Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain a musician at the sea title in Heartopia. Okay, you can obtain this musician at the sea title during the sea fishing event in Heartopia, guys. So all you need to do is just playing 5 notes during the event and wait. Now I'm catching a fish, and after this I'm going to play my music instrument. So don't forget to add music instrument to your inventory, and you're going to hold it. I'm going to play my lute. Okay, we're going to press 5 notes. I'm just going to press more than 5 notes so I can be very sure that I can obtain the title. Okay, just like that, and I'm going to continue my fishing event, sea fishing event, and we'll be able to see the title after the event is over. So I'll be right back after the event is ended, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already obtained musician at sea title, and I'm going to claim my reward. All right, and this title is very useful to obtain the sea monster, if I'm not mistaken. The achievement is called sea monster. We need to obtain all the titles if we want to unlock the achievement. I haven't unlocked it yet, so yeah, we need to work very hard for it, because this achievement is very I think this one is very difficult. Okay, and that's how we can obtain musician at sea title in Heartopia during the sea fishing event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.